This video is mainly something that I want to look back on and just try to make sense of things, I guess. So it's been really cloudy and really cold in Adelaide these past few days. Really different from the 39-40 degree days that we've been experiencing. So it's been a bit of a dramatic change, I have to admit. I haven't really been taking it very well. When the weather changes really dramatically, I find myself just laying around a lot and being in this stupor, not really being able to think properly or focus on anything or do anything at that. And yeah, I've been feeling really unmotivated lately and being a bit scared of the future. Like, it never fails to escape my notice that next month, this time next month, I might not have a job. At the moment I've been working in a contract position and it ends next month, and I've been told that my contract might be extended, but I was told after that again that they were cutting jobs, so there's very little chance of that actually happening, and I was really disappointed because I quit my job at Foodland, and the thought of just not having any financial stability, I guess, really fills me with a bit of unease, I have to say, because finding a job isn't always easy. So far I've fallen into my jobs. I've tripped over one day and fallen on a job. Literally. Yeah, it's been easy, but this time it might be different. I get this feeling inside of me that I'm ready to move on from the place I'm currently at, though. Do you ever get this feeling that you've outgrown a place? That it just doesn't fit you anymore and doesn't give you what you need in order to become the person that you want to be? Anyway, I feel that way about Adelaide. And deep down I feel that if I stay here, I will be holding myself back. And that it's time to go. I guess I've been living in my comfort zone here. Don't get me wrong, living with my mum has been great, but I'm craving this independence that I can't really get anywhere else apart from living alone somewhere, maybe just starting my own life, and I really want that. I really want that. I want to discover parts of myself that I wouldn't have otherwise discovered if I stay here. I want to experience new surroundings and new people and new places and just new everything. So yeah, it's pretty much just a unplanned video that I want to look back on and see what happens. Like, if anyone's watching this and has experienced this kind of inner turmoil, just let me know in the comments and let me know what ended up happening. Like, did you follow your intuition, or did you just stay in the same place and, I don't know, regret it in a way? So I don't know. I don't like this restlessness. And yeah. Guess that's it for now. I think the important thing to remember in these kind of situations, and something that has always helped me just feel calm about making decisions is that no matter where you end up, you're going to be okay. No matter where I end up, I'm going to be okay, because there are no wrong decisions. There are decisions that, end up working for the best, and then there are those decisions that make you wiser as a person and stronger as well. So really there is nothing to lose. So yeah, over and out.